Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install OpenVPN Server on the pfSense firewall. So we're going to go to VPN, OpenVPN, we're going to go to Wizards, local user access is the easiest thing to set up for now. Next. Okay, so we're going to call it pfSense VPN. I already started before. Alright, key length, lifetime, everything is okay. We're going to add new CA. Okay, new server certificate this time. We can use the same values, create a new certificate. Okay, now we're gonna do the interface on LAN. Protocol will be UDP is fine. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna enable TLS authentication, TLS key, generate that for us. Okay, tunnel network is gonna be 192.168.1.1. Local network we could put it, but we don't have to. No preference. Okay, everything else can stay this way. So we're gonna go next. Now we should have two selections to make. Yeah, well, they should both be on unless you plan on changing that manually, but that should be okay for now. Hit next. All good. Alright, so now we're gonna have to, as it says here, system packages, install the client export. Alright, so in this case, this was the first one I made, so let me just delete that for make it more clear. We're gonna go now to system package manager, and we're gonna install the client export. So we got available packages, and we're gonna do a search whenever it comes back on for OpenVPN. Alright, so I guess because I already installed it won't be here. For you it will be, you haven't done it yet. In my case it will be here. I'll show you which one it is. Something called client, the OpenVPN client export. So you're gonna install that. Takes a couple minutes, no problem. Alright, now you get the OpenVPN service app. Alright, now the next thing to do is you need to get a user so the user can log into the OpenVPN. So you're gonna go system user manager. Now I'm gonna go add new user. Okay, username is gonna be pfSense user. API password, just choose something simple that you'll remember. Okay, pfSense, there you go. User. Alright, we can leave the expiration date, no worries. This is very important. Click to create user certificate. That is needed for this to work. Okay, so we're gonna put this. Okay, now the authority will be PSN VPN 2048-bit, no worries. Alright, everything is the same. Save. Okay, now the next thing is we need to export the configuration settings for that user. So we're gonna go back to VPN, OpenVPN, client export, and now we're gonna choose the server, which is that one. Interface IP address, everything should be okay. Leave it the same way it is. Okay, and now we can see our user here. So we're gonna go standard configuration archive. There you go. So we're gonna download this file. Yep. Okay, in the meantime, I'll let you know that you do need to install OpenVPN. I just did it before, so I didn't want to uninstall it, install it again, didn't make any sense. So anyway, so this is how you do it. You go sudo apt get install. This is pretty common in Ubuntu type Linux command line. You could also use Jam, you use in other systems, but anyway, sudo apt and OpenVPN. Usually just the name of the software. You put your password for the root, and because I already have it, yeah, it will say this. Otherwise, it will install it. It will ask you twice to accept the size of the software. Just say yes, and off you go. Alright, now next thing you have to do is you're gonna do a connection. Before you do anything, just make sure you have installed it correctly by doing OpenVPN / version. I think it is. That means you did it. Alright. Alright. Now next thing to do is make sure you have the file in a place where you can actually find it easily. I usually like to put it in desktop. So we're gonna cut and paste this to the desktop. Actually, put it in this folder so that things don't get messed up.
Or if you can't really sign, put it in
Okay.
italics, your name in some font.
There you go. We're gonna extract this now.
Okay? Yeah.
Extract here.
Don't bother. Not a legal document.
There you go. So
as long as you're taking claim that it is you have not done any plagiarism, the form mainly tells that. So that
there you go. That's it.
because I'm not asking you to
Now
go through
we're gonna rename this
eternity
to make it easy for us because it is already hard enough to find the path. So properties, we're gonna get the path from here. Okay, we don't seem to get the full path, so what I'm gonna have to do is just put up with it, and we're gonna get the other way. So where are we now? Okay, we're gonna go list as a cd desktop, cd client VPN. There we go. Alright, so now we're gonna do OpenVPN / config and client.ovpn. Okay, username. That is the username that we created first on our wizard, which is pfSense user. pfSense. Don't forget to put capital letters the same way that you put them when you created the user. And I am in. Thank you for watching. See you next time.